Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain you worksheet number 6, which is based on the topic relation between zeros and coefficient of a polynomial. सबसे पहले we should know that what is a polynomial and what is the standard form of polynomial. So in worksheet it is written the standard form of polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c. It is the standard form of polynomial in which the variable is x and a, b and c are coefficients. We can say here, for example, there is a polynomial 3x square plus 11x plus 10 in which the coefficient of x square, a is equal to 3, the coefficient of x, b is equal to 11, and the 10 which is not associated with any constant, it is any variable, it is called constant. 10 के साथ कोई वेरिएबल नहीं है, इसीलिए इसे कांस्टेंट कहा जाएगा. c is equal to 10. So when a polynomial is given, we have to first identify the value of a, b and c. a, b and c. a is equal to 3, b is equal to 11 and c is equal to 10. Polynomial can also be of this form in which the degree is 1. That means x square is not there, only these last two terms are there. Last के ये दो terms हैं और ये नहीं है. So 3x plus 5 is equal to 0, or there are two examples, 1 and 2. x plus 2 is equal to 0. Or it can be of the form this, which we have taken here. Factorization of a 2-degree polynomial to find zeros is explained here, which you have already studied in 8th class. इसको हम next video में detail में समझेंगे because this is very important. This we have done in previous worksheet. 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. 5 goes to right hand side, becomes minus 5, and 3 goes down, minus 5 by 3. Here plus 2 goes to right hand side, it becomes x is equal to minus 2. This is simple. This need not to be explained. इसका हम बस एक दो एग्जाम्पल ले सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ़ x प्लस 5 इज कोई हमारा, इफ दिस इज द पॉलिनोमियल, then what is the zero of the polynomial? Zero of the polynomial is the value of the x for which the value of this is 0. x की जगह हम क्या रखें कि ये पूरा 0 हो जाए. For this x plus 5 को हम 0 पुट करेंगे. So x will come out to be plus 5 goes here minus 5. So we get the zero of the polynomial. This is the polynomial px. पॉलिनोमियल के लिए हम p का इस्तेमाल करते हैं और इसके अंदर जो आता है वो होता है वेरिएबल. जो भी वेरिएबल यहाँ होगा वो अंदर लिखेंगे. जैसे अगर हमारी पॉलिनोमियल है y स्क्वायर प्लस 2y प्लस 10, तो इसमें वेरिएबल जो है वो y है, तो इसे हम py लिखेंगे. p फॉर पॉलिनोमियल एंड y फॉर वेरिएबल. So after this, when we are able to find the factors of the zeros of the polynomial by factorizing it, we will verify that the sum of the zero. जब हमने इस पॉलिनोमियल को सॉल्व किया तो हमें दो आंसर मिले, -6 और 2. तो हम एक प्रॉपर्टी को वेरीफाई कर रहे हैं कि सम ऑफ द ज़ीरो, जब मैं इनको दोनों को ऐड करती हूँ -6 और 2 को, तो मुझे मिलता है -4. And when I divide b by 1, b by a, then also I get 4. If I find the value of minus b by a and the value of the sum of the two zeros, those are same. Similarly, the product of two zeros is equal to c upon a. This also will be explained with other example. So you have to note down first what is a polynomial, standard form of a polynomial. First number you will note down this. Now second number you will take this as example, then this third, then this fourth, and then this 5. आपको इस नंबर पे इस ऑर्डर में इसको नोट करना है. पहले ये नोट करेंगे, फिर ये, फिर थर्ड, फिर फोर्थ और फिर फिफ्थ. देन दिस एग्जाम्पल 6th you will note down. सॉरी बेटा, पहले आप इसको नोट करेंगे 4, because this is the solution of the polynomial 4, then this is 5. Okay, 1 2 3 4 and then 5, then 6, then this 7 from here, 6 and then 7. Then you have to solve. This is your homework. 2 questions are homework. First question have 2 parts. Homework. First question have 2 parts and second question also have 2 parts. क्लियर हो गया होगा? ये आपको नोट करना है और ये होमवर्क करना है. इस होमवर्क करने में आपको हेल्प हो, so we'll take more examples and I will explain how we do this in next video.